Hey everyone, and welcome to Shiva's Grow Garden and another session on growing plants with amino acids and plant-based nutrients. In the last 4 videos, you were introduced to the plant growth hormones amino acids, Auxins, Gibberellins, and cytokinin. In the next 6 videos, I want to give you some information on choosing the right plant nutrient sources as fertilizers for your garden and grow, and also give you basic information on the 6 main categories of vegetable plants. And the 6 categories include Allium plants, cruciferous plants, edible plant stems, leafy greens, marrow plants, and roots and tubers. In the following videos, I will show you which plants contain the highest amounts of natural growth hormones, explain to you a little bit about each of the categories. So let's get on with the first category, which would be Allium plants. Allium plants are flowering plants that include hundreds of species, including the cultivated onions, garlics, scallions, shallots, leek, and chives, which are plants that we all use on a daily basis. They grow best in full sun, even though most types will also tolerate paltry shade, and the bulbs are very winter hardy in almost all types of climates. Allium plants, such as onions, for instance, require high amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but on the other hand, they also produce high amounts of amino acids and auxins and gibberellins. Plants containing all 9 essential amino acids are considered perfect foods, and onions contain at least 5 of the 9 essential amino acids plus 2 plant growth hormone regulators that plants need to grow and thrive. So by growing vegan, you can supply your plants with the best and strongest plant nutrient sources for 100% plant nutrient intake. And depending on what we want to extract, we use onions and garlic, for instance, on a regular basis to accomplish this. We use garlic because of its high phosphorus and potassium content. Garlic also contains high amounts of calcium, magnesium, and other micronutrients. Yellow onions, on the other hand, contain high amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus, and also contains Auxins, Gibberellins, and sulfur. So there you go. I hope you liked this little short video. And if you did, give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Ciao, bello.